Hi, my name is Professor Dr. Nina Röder. I'm very happy that we are able to continue our successful cooperation with Magnum Photos. This time we have the Iranian photographer Newsha Tavakolian here on our campus in Hamburg.
My name is Newsha Tavakolian. I'm a photographer from Magnum Agency. I was very impressed by their work and their curiosity and also the experimental way of telling stories.
I'm very grateful to have this opportunity actually, because Newsha is a very experienced and very talented photographer who's been around and whose work I admire a lot. The way she gives feedback to our very personal projects is very helpful actually. If there would be another workshop, I would definitely join it again.